Hi, in this video we're going to prove an identity. We're going to prove that minus tan theta minus cot theta is equal to minus cosec theta sec theta. Right, so when you prove an identity, normally you work with one side of the identity and try to arrive at the other side of the identity. So, starting with the left-hand side, minus tan theta minus cot theta, well, we know that tan theta is equivalent to sine theta over cos theta. So I'm going to replace that with sine theta over cos theta, and then when cot theta is equal to 1 over tan theta, so if tan theta is equal to that, 1 over tan theta is going to be cos theta sine theta. So cot theta is equivalent to cos theta over sine theta. Don't forget to put in a minus sign here. Right, in order to subtract fractions, you need a common denominator. So the common denominator is going to be cos theta sine theta. And because I've got minus sine theta, I've had to multiply this by sine theta as well. So I have to do the same to the numerator. Minus cos theta, and I've had to multiply that by cos theta. So I'm going to have to multiply this by cos theta. Right, minus sine theta times sine theta is minus sine squared theta. Minus cos theta minus cos times cos theta is minus cos squared theta. On the bottom we've got cos theta sine theta. Right, if we take out a common factor, the minus sign, if we now take that out, the numerator now becomes minus bracket sine squared theta plus cos squared theta. If you're not sure, just take the minus sign back in to get it. Minus sine squared theta and minus times the plus is minus cos squared theta over cos theta sine theta. Now, we might recognize now a Pythagorean identity that sine squared theta plus cos squared theta is equivalent to 1. So you're now going to replace this by 1. So in the numerator I now have minus 1 over cos theta sine theta. If I separate this up, I'm going to write this as minus 1 over sine theta. The reason for swapping these two over will be so that I end up with this at the end, times 1 over cos theta. Now 1 over sine theta is equivalent to cosec theta, and 1 over cos theta is equivalent to sec theta. So I'm going to have minus cosec theta from here times sec theta from here. And that's what I had to prove, so I've got back to the right hand side, therefore I've proved the identity. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to prove an identity. So the normal procedure is start on one side and work to the other. You don't always have to start on the left hand side, sometimes it might be easier to start on the right hand side and work to the left hand side. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.